First, disconnect your power and Hall effect wire harnesses from the jack. Using a wrench and impact, remove the bolts on one side of the jack completely. When using an impact to remove bolts, ensure that the socket has stopped spinning before moving on to the next bolt so as to avoid rounding out the corners of the bolt. Move to the other side of the jack and remove the remaining 3 bolts, but leave the last 2 with the nuts partially in place to prevent the jack from falling on you. Support the jack by hand and remove the last 2 bolts entirely, then remove the jack. Mount the new jack with one bolt in place, supporting with the other hand. Start the first nut to hold the jack in place while supporting with your hand. Install the second bolt to prevent it from twisting or falling. Hand thread the nuts on your bolts to prevent them from cross-threading, and then secure the third bolt in place. Tighten down all 3 bolts with your impact and wrench while supporting the nut from the backside. Next, place your 3 remaining bolts on the opposite side and start the nuts again by hand to help prevent cross-threading. Be sure that you use proper bolt spacing when reinstalling your jack, and then tighten each one down with a wrench supporting from behind just like you did on the other side. Once the new jack is secured, reconnect your wire harnesses and test the jack at the touchpad for proper function.